Hello guys, finished working on your Google Sheet and want to log out? Or maybe you are using a shared computer and want to keep things private? No worries. Today I'll show you how to log out from Google Sheet in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First open switch.google.com in your web browser. If you're already logged in, you will see your recent spreadsheet. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initial. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down, click Sign Out or Log Out if you're on a different device. That's it. Now you're safely logged out from Google Sheet. Easy, right? Now you can sign back in any time when you need to work on your sheet again. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.